Hello, thank you for joining us today. My name is Dario with 4seating.com, and today we're going to be showing you how to replace a lighted cup holder. This is only going to take a few simple steps, and there's only one tool necessary, and that's your Phillips head screwdriver. First, let's start off by removing your plastic insert, and then we're going to unscrew 2 screws from the inside. The next step is going to be to gently lift up on the cup holder, expose the cables, and this right here is your quick disconnect. We're going to go ahead and remove that. We're going to remove the black sleeve, and we're going to put this aside for just a few minutes. Now we're going to grab our new lighted cup holder, replace the black sleeve, and that just slides right over. Next step is reattach the quick disconnect. Make sure that's nice and snug and tight. Now let's test it. Alright, it's working. Now we're going to fish the cable right back down. Gently push down on the cup holder and replace our screws. Important note, do not over tighten. Alright, final step, insert our plastic insert. Wonderful, it's working. Well, thank you. I really appreciate your time. If you have any other further questions, please visit us at 4seating.com.